Good morning students. Today we will discuss the poem Gift to Sing, its question answer, which is mentioned on your page number 51. So everybody will take out your English reader book. Its question is A. Answer these question with your elbow partner. First question is, what magic way does the poet use to change a gloomy day to a cheerful one? Answer is here in this question, what magic way, कौन सा ऐसा तरीका है, मेथड है, does the poet use, जिसे कवि यहाँ पर यूज करता है चेंज करने के लिए ग्लूमी डे, जो डिप्रेशन वाले दिन है, उसको चेयरफुल डे, हैप्पीनेस में बदलने के लिए. So answer is the poet uses the magic way to sing softly. Next is question second. How does the way get darker? How does the way get darker? Way get darker, this you will keep in quotation marks. Upper side, both side you will mark here just like comma, which is known as quotation mark. After that, question mark. Answer is how does the way get darker, कि कैसे जो वे रास्ता है get darker, वो become large darkness, उसमें continuity में darkness जो उसकी लाइफ में आ रही है उसके लिए. So answer you will write the way, that you will also keep in quotation mark, the way get darker by sorrow, somber wind. Next is question third. Why do you think the poet uses the word glad before define? Third is, why do you think, कि आप ऐसा क्यों सोचते हैं, the poet uses the word glad before define that you will also keep in quotation mark. Answer is The poet uses the word glad before defines because because it shows poet pleasure during disobedient situation. During disobedience situation. Next is question 4 is with what does the poet pass the darkness? So here the poet want to say that कहना चाहता है कि किसके थ्रू, यहाँ पर pass means through, जरिए या go into the darkness को remove करना चाहता है. The poet answer is the poet does pass the darkness with a knot. Next is question number 5. What does the poet not brood over? What does the poet not brood over? Here, what does the poet, जो कवि है यहाँ पर not brood over. Brood means here, I already tell you, it means to sulk, means silent. कि किसके थ्रू poet यहाँ पर silent बना रहना चाहता है और उसके बारे में नहीं सोचना चाहता. Answer is I am writing question 5th answer here. The poet does not brood over the broken past. It means the time which has gone. जो समय बीत गया है उसके ऊपर नहीं सोचना चाहता, साइलेंट बनी रहना चाहता है. Next is question 6. Why does the poet never have a dark night or a long day? Why does the poet never have a dark night or a long day? Answer is it is so because if we will write, because here you have to give answer reason, यहाँ पर आपको आंसर में रीजन देना है, इसलिए if we will write complete sentence then your answer will be lengthy. So it is so because after every night a day comes same as sorrow after happiness comes. So here these question 1 to 6 are finished. Next is read the sentences and answer the question that follow. It is your question B. Here you are given 2 sentences. On basis of you are getting A, B, C, 3 questions. So let's complete it. This is question B, which is you will also do in your notebook. Question B, first question is, this is sentence. And blackening clouds above me cling. Base of A, B, C. 3 questions here. So first is, what does the poet mean by words blackening clouds? यहाँ पर poet का क्या mean है, क्या मतलब है by the word blackening clouds? Okay, दुख के काले बादल से क्या मतलब है कवि का? So blackening clouds जो काले काले बादल है वो. It means the sadness and stress. इसका मतलब है sadness जो दुख है, उदासीता है पोइट की लाइफ में वो, और स्ट्रेस जो तनाव है उस. सेकेंड इज हाउ डज द पोइट डिस्क्राइब द पाथ ही इज ऑन. कि पोइट कैसे डिस्क्राइब करता है, वर्णन करता है द पाथ. पाथ मीन्स रास्ता, वे, ही इज ऑन जिसके ऊपर वो है. द पाथ ही इज ऑन वेरी डार्क एंड सोरोफुल. जो पाथ जिस पर वो है वो वेरी डार्क, बड़ा ही अंधेरापन है, डार्क है, गहरा है, एंड सोरोफुल और दुख भरा है. C is what happens when the poet softly sing. What happens कि क्या होता है when the poet softly sing, जब poet softly sing गुनगुनाता है. The gloom day changes to cheerful day. The gloom day जो दुख भरे उदासीतापूर्ण वाले जो दिन है वो चेयरफुल डे, हैप्पीनेस में परिवर्तित हो जाते हैं। सेकंड सेंटेंस इज while in my heart there swell a song and I can sing. Based on also 3 question A. Why do you think the poet uses the word swell here? कि आप क्या सोचते हैं? The poet uses the word swell here कि poet ने यहाँ swell word क्यों use किया? We think that the poet swell here with his heart. हम क्या सोचते हैं? poet ने जो swell word यहाँ use किया है, swell means to increase, with his heart, क्योंकि वो heart से, दिल से गाता है इसलिए। Next is B. What does the song help the poet do? कि जो song है वो poet की क्या करने में मदद करता है? The song helps the poet to do optimistic. Optimistic means here आशावादी. Song जो है वो हमेशा उसे आशावादी बने रहने में मदद करता है. Next is C. What does the poet not read anymore? What does the poet, जो poet है यहाँ पर not read, read means fear anymore, किससे और नहीं डरना चाहता. The poet does not dread anymore whatever time has gone. जो समय बीत चुका है उसके बारे में सोच. Now students, you will do A and B question in your notebook. Thank you.